This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively for Class 10. First, let's talk about creating a solid study plan. You need to map out your entire syllabus and allocate specific times for each subject. Prioritize those challenging topics, giving them extra attention. Setting clear, achievable goals for each day and week will keep you on track and motivated. This structured approach is key to consistent progress. Next, let's dive into active learning. Don't just passively read, engage with your material. Practice solving previous year's question papers to understand exam patterns and improve your speed. Try teaching a concept to a friend. Explaining it out loud solidifies your own understanding. Also, create and use flashcards for quick, effective revision of important definitions and formulas. These methods boost retention significantly. Consistent revision is crucial for long-term memory. Make sure to revisit all subjects regularly, not just before exams. Equally important is self-care. Take short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, every 45 to 60 minutes of study to keep your mind fresh. And remember, getting at least 8 hours of quality sleep each night is vital for concentration and overall well-being. Finally, let's prepare for exam day. Do a final review of all essential formulas and important diagrams. Staying calm and confident is key to performing your best. Trust in your preparation and approach each question thoughtfully. And speaking of smart choices, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you keep your study space tidy. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.